हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू दी चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं देने जा रही हूँ आपको चैप्टर नंबर 2 एसॉप्स फेबल्स की नोट्स, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम 4th स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश बाल भारती। लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। ए, नेम द पर्सन हु फर्स्ट टोल्ड these fables. Answer, Aesop is the name of the person who first told these fables. B, what did his stag like about himself? Why? Answer, the stag liked his curving antlers because they made him look handsome. Next question. See, what was the stag unhappy with? Why? Answer, the stag was unhappy with his legs because they were ugly and spindly with his small feet. D. What did the dog do when the ox went near the manger? Answer, the dog began to bark loudly when the ox went near the manger. Next, write the message of each of these two stories. First, the stag at the pool. The message is, we should not dislike things that don't look pretty because they are often more useful to us. Second one, the dog in the manger. We should not begrudge others what we don't enjoy ourselves. Read aloud the following speeches from the lesson. A. What the stag said when he saw his reflection. Answer, how handsome I look. How beautiful are these curving antlers. How they add my beauty. How graceful they look. After looking at his leg, he said, look at my legs. Oh, they are so ugly, all spindly with small feet. How I wish that nature had given me legs worth of my stately antlers. B. What the stag said at the end. Answer, I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. Was so proud of these handsome antlers, but they would have been the cause of my death. Very often we dislike things that are most useful to us. See what the ox said to the dog in the manger. Answer, dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it, but you neither eat the hay or nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Next, find the smaller words hidden in the following words. So first one is given as reflection, so you have to find the words, smaller words from this. Next question, find the synonyms. Synonyms means meaning. So first one is given as delighted. तो delighted का meaning है happy, beautiful, pretty, disgusted, horrified, bounded, jumped. Question 5. The stag saw his reflection in water. Name at least 3 things in which one may see his reflection. Name 3 things that do not reflect anything. 3 things in which one may see a reflection. Mirror, water, steel plate. ऐसे 3 चीज़ें बताना है जिसमें हम अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देख पाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, मिरर यानी आईना, वाटर पानी, स्टील प्लेट जो स्टील का प्लेट होता है उसमें भी हम अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देखते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट 3 थिंग्स दैट डू नॉट रिफ्लेक्ट एनीथिंग, दैट इज़ वुड, लेदर, क्लॉथ्स, पेपर. वुड यानी लकड़ी, लेदर चमड़ा, क्लॉथ्स कपड़ा और पेपर में हम अपना रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं देख सकते हैं. फाइंड एंड राइट नेम्स ऑफ 10 कंट्रीज. तो 10 कंट्रीज़ के नाम लिखना है एज पर योर चॉइस. यू कैन राइट एनी कंट्रीज नेम. 10 कंट्रीज नेम यू हैव टू राइट. Next, question number 7. With the help of your teacher, make collection of idioms and proverbs that mention birds and animals. Examples are, to let that cat out of the bag, barking dogs see him bite. Animals, the elephant in the room, that's really my goat. And birds, wild goose chase was something like a hawk.